You want to learn how to build a big $1 million real estate photography business like me?
Hey photographers, tired of being offered courses by CEOs whose main income is the course itself? Hi, my name is Jonathan Corbett. I've been a legit photographer on the front lines of the industry for over a decade, earning me over $250,000 a year with 0 employees.
How dare you? I am a CEO.
Is that your Instagram bio?
I'm incorporated. I have thousands of followers.
How many employees did it take you to get to $1 million again? That's what I thought. Listen, man, I'm sure you do great work, just not quite like this. I think it's time we get out of here. Listen, everyone, I know there are lots of courses and free videos out there on how to do real estate photography. The problem is they teach you how to shoot and edit poorly, and they teach you exactly how to sell yourself short and give up all your leverage in the real world of photography business. And that's why I've decided to create Real Estate Photography Master Class, an online real estate photography program dedicated to help you learn and apply everything from the basics, like what equipment to buy, all the way to the latest and greatest advanced skills and techniques in real estate photography, like HDR, lighting, video, drone, including FPV drone, 3D scanning, marketing, and most importantly, business techniques and strategies. Our extensive business curriculum teaches the skills and knowledge you need so that you are no longer afraid when someone asks you for your prices or references another photographer who charges less. All of this is original material taught by me personally, gathered from years of experience and expertise as a photographer not working in a large metropolitan market. By the way, I still shoot real estate every day. I now train and manage my own team of real estate photographers. I have started a business outside of photography that also makes over 6 figures, and now I am 110% dedicated to my students who want to be masters in real estate photography with me at realestatephotographymasterclass.com. I also include several long-form interviews with real, top producing real estate agents so you can get valuable, unfiltered, raw information straight from the source, not just from me. We even go a bit beyond real estate photography and teach other valuable and relatable skills like how to do headshots, how to generate passive income in real estate and investing, and personal improvement tips to help you realize your full potential as a professional photographer. We even teach you how you can build your own custom PCs and drones if you want to do that. If you'd like to learn even more about Real Estate Photography Masterclass, make sure to check out realestatephotographymasterclass.com. All our prices are easily available to you, and you can buy without having to view a fake 45-minute free training seminar. But if you'd like, you can sign up to attend a nightly, truly live virtual meeting where I will answer your questions personally, myself, not pre-recorded, and help you decide if Real Estate Photography Masterclass is right for you. Thanks for watching, and always remember to learn, apply, and succeed.